Whoa, 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 whoa. Losing my grip on the camera. All right, back in the shop. It's Friday afternoon, actually, not even morning. Friday afternoon. I almost thought about taking the complete day off. I think it's around 3:16. 3:16, I went out and did a couple things and hung around the house a little bit, and it's like, well, I guess I should go do some work. But I thought about taking the day off just because tomorrow is my birthday, but tomorrow's Saturday, so I can't take Saturday off. I'm already off. So, I don't know. I felt like there's a set of heads here, and I was like, I really need to go do that. I've been putting that off for a while, so I was like, I'll go put 2 hours in and get that. It's just a seat I got to put in one head kind of thing, fix his head up for a customer, even though this head looks like garbage, but he keeps calling me. And he's called me twice today, and I was like, let me go in there, knock that out, and then I'll be done. And just have a long birthday weekend where I only work 2 hours on a Friday. Anyways, I'm going to get to work putting that seat in the head, and I'll show you guys how that goes. All right, talk to you later. Oh yeah, the whole reason I was doing it instead of sitting down like I normally do, I came up here. I am really digging how well I cleaned up here. Like, it looks really good everywhere, other than the floor itself. I need to mop that, but it's a lot more spacious feeling. And that desk, I can't believe this desk. Hopefully I don't run into anything walking backwards. It's been a long time since that thing was cleaned off. I can walk up and actually use my desk. I need to get my computer back in here. I took it home a while back to take it on vacation with me and everything like that, so I could, practice talking to this camera and all that, and download all my media from my vacation, which I'll probably share that to you guys at some point. Kind of thing, because I recorded a lot. I've never edited it, but anyways, we'll get to that at some other time. I'm gonna get to work. Actually, get to work this time. All right, I figured, I'm gonna cut a seat into a head, and it's gonna be on time lapse. You're probably not gonna really see too much of what's going on, what it's doing. I thought I'd explain it a little bit. So let me get over here to the head real quick and I will show you what's going on. So this is a valve seat. And this looks like crap, if you can see that, folks, in their camera. There we go. This seat is beat up. That is not good. So I'm going to cut this one out around here and leave a little bitty ridge at the bottom, platform kind of thing, to beat this down, sit it in there, and then cut this new seat so that the valve will seal. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna get to that. I'm really getting tired of this warehouse giving me stuff that is not what I need. I am on my way to the warehouse. Again, a mad dash at 4:30 in the afternoon on a Friday before they close, so I can finish this head that I'm almost done, and I have the wrong seat. All I gotta do is install the correct seat and cut the thing, and I'm done. But I don't have the correct seat, so here I go. Hopefully I make it on time. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here, click on the share button over here, share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting, comment down below, let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, that way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh!